Color separation improves readability. This voiceover introduces the concept of distinguishing elements through controlled color relationships. The opening explains why similar hues can flatten an image. You will learn how to subtly separate elements without breaking harmony. The teaching style focuses on visual clarity rather than saturation. The takeaway is cleaner compositions with improved subject distinction. When the narration ends, your images will feel organized and intentional.